My name is Kriston Newsome, and I'm the branch manager at the Pelican Branch of the DeSoto Parish Library. I'm going to be sharing some very easy, very minimal ingredient recipes with you. Most everything here you will have in your kitchen cupboard or kitchen pantry. It's not very hard, and it's pretty simple ingredients. Our library system is trying this new virtual programming thing, and every branch is going to be sharing some pretty wonderful ideas, some great crafts, probably some other recipes. Our children's department is going to be sharing some great stories and plays and crafts, so be sure to check everybody out. They're on our Facebook page, they're on our website, and we have a new YouTube channel, so you can go check that out. All of the directions and the ingredients that I'm going to be using today, I'm going to post in the comments, so maybe it'll help. You don't have to pause and write and pause and write and pause and write. So let's get started. I'm going to make some Coke brownies. It's 2 ingredients, very easy. It's a brownie mix and a can of Coke. So the first thing you do is pour the brownie mix in the bowl. And then you want to add your Coke. And I'm gonna pour and stir. You can pour it all and stir it all at once, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna stir this up really well. Try to get all the lumps out. This is just 2 ingredients. There's no eggs, there's no dairy. If some of you have family with allergies, or if you ran out of eggs and don't want to go to the store, all you have to do is mix them up, and then just pour it in a you can pour it in a greased or buttered 9x10 or 9x13. This is a 9x10 pan, just because I like a little bit of a thicker brownie. Okay, I've already preheated my oven to 350, so I'm gonna bake it at 350 for 30 minutes. And I'm gonna go and put this in the oven and see how it turns out. Okay guys, while our brownie is in the oven, I'm going to show you how to make a very, very, very easy instant coffee whipped topping. It's delicious. It's great for you coffee lovers. It's good as a froth on top of your coffee. It's good as a Cool Whip topping on top of your cake or cupcake. So it's 3 ingredients. It's instant coffee, a 1/3 cup of instant coffee, a cup of sugar, and a 1/3 cup of very cold ice water. Not the ice, just the water, but it has to be ice water. So the first thing you do is you mix your dry ingredients. So I'm going to put my coffee and my sugar in the bowl, and you're going to hand whisk your dry ingredients first. And I love the smell of coffee. Oh gosh, it smells so good. And then after that's done, I'm going to slowly add if I can get my bowl on, I'm going to slowly add my iced water. Now I got a little more, obviously, more than 1/3 cup, so I'm just going to, then 3/4 cup. So I'm just going to use my little scooper and scoop out 1/4 cup at a time. without ice, if I can manage it. I'm gonna put one. I'm gonna lock the lid, and I'm gonna mix it low first until I get them all in there. 2. And 3. And so I'm gonna mix it on high for 3 minutes. I have to mix it. I'm not that hot. It's getting all over me. Oh, it smells so good. We'll give that a minute and come back. Okay, so it hasn't been quite 3 minutes yet, but I want to show you it's lightening up a whole lot. It's looking a lot more like a coffee that I drink actually, but it's gonna get a lot lighter, and we're gonna let it go a little bit longer. Okay guys, we are done. And I'm gonna show you how light and fluffy. Look how good that did. Pretty proud of that. And it's just a big, it globs, it's spreadable, it's peaky, it's great, and it tastes delicious. So, thank you for watching, and we are going to make some Hershey Bar Rosettes next, so keep watching. Okay, y'all, the next thing we're gonna make is chocolate bar rosettes, and for that you're gonna need a tall glass, a Ziploc bag, 2 tablespoons of flour, a very large Hershey bar, and a pair of scissors, and a pan that is very, very, very lightly buttered. If you want to put paper in there, that's fine too. I just didn't have any. Okay, so first thing you do is you're going to put your Ziploc bag down inside your cup and fold the edges, fold the top of the bag over the edges of the cup. It's gonna help hold it open while you're adding your ingredients. So we're gonna add our Hershey bar first. And it's okay if you eat a couple of bites too. So I'm just breaking it up and putting it in the bag. And after I get it all broken up and inside the bag, I'm gonna go put it in the microwave, and I'm gonna melt this Hershey bar till it's a creamy consistency. So I got it in the bag, and I'm fixing to take it to the microwave, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have our chocolate bar melted, and it's about, I don't know, very liquidy consistency. And we're just gonna add our 2 tablespoons of flour. Very slowly because I'm very clumsy. This chocolate smells so good. Okay, so we're gonna zip up our baggie, and we're going to just knead the flour into the chocolate. Get it mixed up real well. Get some of that air out so I can. Okay. So we're gonna squish it all down to the bottom. Toward a corner. Okay. Then I'm going to cut a corner out of the bottom with my handy dandy scissors. And bear with me because I'm not good at this. We are going to try to pipe out. Can y'all see that? Yeah. We're going to try to pipe out some rosettes. So rosettes are supposed to go, look at that. We're going to have, this is horrible. Okay, well, we're going to have Hershey chocolate blobs. Rosettes are supposed to be piped out in a circular motion. I cut 2 corners apparently because this is one of those flat bottom Ziploc bags. So anyway, just imagine, use your wonderful imaginations and pretend that this is a beautiful round rosette. Oops. Let's see. I'm not good at it. But I'm trying. Okay, so these we're gonna bake in the oven at 300 until they're ready. So I'm gonna go pop these in the oven. Well, no, I'm gonna check on the brownies. And then when they're done, I'm gonna put these in the oven. So I'll be back shortly. Okay guys, our brownie is done and our rosettes, because they're not pretty rosettes, they are done as well. So I like my brownie a little gooey. So we're just gonna cut right into it. Now this is just Coke and a brownie mix, and it makes it light and fluffy and just a good brownie. And our rosettes are done as well. They're hot right now, I just took them out, so, but there you have it. Y'all check back later. I'm gonna show y'all how to root some succulents. I'm going to show you how to regrow your green onion stalk for chives, and I'm also going to show you how to use a half of a bell pepper to grow a whole plant. So check back with me and I'll show you how it's done. See you later. Bye.